YouTube, it's your boy Ghost in the 5-7 back with another video, and we at Bass Pro right now. And y'all know what I come to Bass Pros for, either ammo or gun parts. But we here to get some 9mm cause we about to go to the range. Me, my little brother, and his homeboy. I'm gonna get some ammo for the AR9, the CZ Scorpion, the Glock 19. That's what I'm doing right now. I'm gonna see if there's some other stuff that I want to come back and pick up once I get paid and shit like that, cause I do got some shit that I'm planning to do real soon. So let's get in here and find what we need to find. So y'all, right now we heading to the gun section. I don't come in here for nothing else. I don't come for the clothes, fishing, none of that. I just come straight for the gun section. So let's find this gun section. Let's find this gun section real quick. Hey, what baby kid say? Flip that electric piece of shit. Ooh, I already know sound ammo. Look, they got turkeys in here and shit. Y'all boys trying to go turkey hunting. Look, they got all types of shit. Well, here's the ammo section. Y'all, we looking for the 9mm. I'm looking for the 9mm for my shit. Flip that electric piece of shit. Yeah. So YouTube, we just paid for the ammo. My little better than them, they already went to the car. They had bought some ammo. But yeah, we got 700 rounds of 9mm. So this should be a crazy range there, I ain't gonna lie. But I'm gonna pick y'all up once we at the gun range. So y'all, we at the gun range. I'm waiting on my little better than them to get out the car and shit. And then we gonna go inside, load up the gun, go on that bitch. But so YouTube, this what we rocking with. This the AR9, my CZ Scorpion Evo 3, then my Glock Gen 5. All the mags we got 700 rounds. So I'm some practice drill for my armed security, cause I got to take that test real soon. So I'm gonna do that, and then I'm gonna be dumping, make sure everything's zero.
Metak mu unutra džemak. A tako i meni bilo, pa je moj postup. Kaj si napravio? Ima ti popravio. A iskoj dana puca? Iskoj dana puca? Sam će to još. Ali viš da pravim sve pogodio. Ja, bude dan, da vidite. A sad ovo nek ima kasno skini, rekao, a tako pogledaj. Evo, ko je? Ovo ti ima.
So y'all, I'm flipping the ejection port to the other side because they keep burning my arm. So I'm finna switch this out and put it on the other side. So y'all, I got the ejection port switch. Now it's finna come out on the left hand side. Let's see how this shoots.
Stari, reću, spušteni, stari. Stali smo ga sve to. Jel ga poznaš? Ne, gala, pa nikad se žuri.
You gotta switch that shit right back.
I gotta do that when I get home. But that shit good. I'm finna
Oh, okay.
So, this is how much you put the estimate?
Yeah.
But first, the FAR, and then you give it to the next one.
So y'all, I was shooting it, and it just, I don't know why, but that bitch jumped up, and I called somebody to come look at it, and he said, this been giving problems, so, I don't know. And I got to change this one back to the other side. So y'all, this is my paper. Yeah, that bitch got ate up real decent. Had to shoot the video. I was doing some armed security training. I'm gonna let these two niggas shoot. But the CZ Scorpion is jammed. They don't know what's wrong with it. So when I get home doing a full breakdown, that's gonna be a separate video. With that one also, I'm gonna do a full breakdown, switch everything over to the right hand side because I'm a left-handed shooter. And the shells kept hitting me, so I'm gonna break that one all the way down, flip everything over, put it back together, probably come out here tomorrow. So y'all gonna get like 3 videos for one day. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. But them boys, they loading up their shells. They got that shitty Winchester. This shit, this shit been fucking up guns all day. Like I literally still got 4 clips of CZs. Like I did not shoot this gun. Like literally, this the only clip I shot. How much came out? Like literally, competitive. Not that much came out. So what we finna do? We gonna go home, break that bitch down, get that bit right, come back tomorrow, make sure our shit right. And that's it. Man, look, bro, he got the 40 ball in there. You finna do the one hand? Is one up top? One hand. Oh, that way all the way on. You all. Oh, that boy going for the outside target. Okay, I see it. Okay, little bro got hey. You missed the 3 though. Okay, you hit the 3. You can't wrap it. Oh, you can't? Nah, that boy I went to dunk it. You can do bursts. You can do like 2. Yeah, like. Look, bro, that boy got accuracy.
Čekaj, Čiba, Vuoči, idemo vani te čekamo.
Okay, you missed 1 so far.
Samo relax, samo.
You gotta do one hand behind back.
Go ahead, keep dumping. Keep on, you ain't done yet. Hit it. Come on, Do it one hand. Do it one hand. One hand. One hand.
And hold it tight, tight.
Hold it. So y'all, my brother just challenged me. It's one bullet in here. The target is all the way down there. Watch this. I'm gonna smack that bitch. Hold the camera.
Yeah, it has to be closed. It's open.
I hit. Hit. I hit. I hit. I hit though. But I hit. But I hit. What? That's
You
a
would have
shoulder.
still got up working.
Hey,
with it.
it's still a hit
You
though.
would have still got up working.
And I got iron sight. On top of that, I got regular iron sight. Nigga talking about you gonna hit. I hit him. That's all that matters.
Oh, sure.
But that's the end of this video. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. And y'all gonna see me on the next video like this when I get to the crib.